Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela uba Kyrmen Shela habe keren halur ke Jingkynnoh baga Jingtih Dewiong Beaiñ kadang don haga Jela ulaong baga Jingkynnoh kandon bed Henry Donkam bandon ni ke Pynshisha uba Kyrmen ula benrap da kabaong baga tenat beripet kadon ulaong bakan omdon kata ke Jingle Beaiñ lada ki leru kandai kat kum ki kendon bat an omdon menu bande tang ban pensengo baha yaladi ulaong ba udon ke Jinget bagi pat ba ke Jela kinom le kumta Kidan ke Kyrmen bahawa kesngi kin sala banti Dewiong biang kat kum kejuk start sayan ke pemerintah.
Allegation, it might be against anybody, against any state, any department, but it's just that we need to have a proof whether it's a fact or not. So for this, they can try. The department is there, the Frontline department and different sources is there. They can find it out and they'll get the result. But I believe that our people, if it is for survival, they might do it illegally. Otherwise, nobody wants to do any kind of illegal methods where it can hamper the state or just for enjoyment. They will not do any kind of illegalities. But if it happens that about to die just for survival, then though I cannot say it might be. But I believe our people, they will not do such kind of thing, illegalities. They are much happy, especially with the announcement of Chief Minister regarding this scientific mining, where all of us, we are happily welcome it and we would love to see the light of the day with this mining, scientific mining. So I believe that our people will not play such kind of fool things where the court or the law will have a chance to point fingers on us.
What is the status?
Rainy season, I cannot say exactly, but our people are trying, those who got the license, especially Ma Thomas families. So they have gone ahead and we are waiting for the light of the day. So looking forward as early as possible that the government, the moment they got the coal and they give them a challenge, then we can transport the coal legally to any source who required. When it comes to coal, it's not that I'm trying to justify myself or for the state. Just would like to remind us that Meghalaya is one of the highest rainfall. So being the highest rainfall, and anything could happen. If you remember where there's one allegation mentioning that because of the soil and because of the rain in Meghalaya that the flood happened in Assam. And especially from East Jingtih Hills, all those water, it goes to Bangladesh. So never know, it could be because of the rain it carried away. Being the highest rainfall, chances is very high. So still then I cannot blame just the rain. It could be or it could be not there, but I really don't have any kind of there should not be any kind of practice illegally when it comes to transportation or mining, whatever it is. It should be as per law. So that is what I feel. And being the highest rainfall, is very difficult to say that whether it's carried by the rain or is carried by any kind of transportation.